Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this cut crease for Valentine's Day. So go ahead and grab some snacks and stay tuned and let's get started. So first I'm going to start with this pencil eyeliner from Celavi. I'm going to trace out the line that I want to start with, starting from the top of my lid, kind of going side to side, just to make sure that I'm getting the perfect angle. I'm going to make sure to darken out that angle, just so I have, again, a solid base to work with. And then after that, I'm going to be going in with the Hocus Pocus palette from Colourpop. This palette is so incredibly cute. I love all the colors, very fall. I'm going to be taking the maroon shade in this palette and kind of retracing out the line that I did, again, to define it. So you can see I'm pretty much just blending it all out, making it look nice and pretty and giving it a nice shape. I'm going to go back into that palette and use the Firm eyeshadow, and I'm going to be placing it on the top of that line that I just did. I'm going to blend it out, make sure it looks nice and neat. Next, I'm going to cut my crease, and I'll be using this Morphe brush and Tarte concealer. I'm going to start in the middle of my lid and kind of work my way out. You do have to work a little bit fast because this does dry fairly quickly. I'm going to make sure that I'm being very precise here as to create that cut crease, and then I'll go back into that same palette with a lighter white shade and create that cut effect. I want to make sure that I'm tapping it in all the way, just so it can look nice and beautiful. Next, I'm going to go in with this Morphe eyeliner in the shade Coconut, and I'm going to trace out the middle part of that cut crease to create, again, another beautiful effect. I'm going to go over that cut crease with the Dose of Colors pigment and primer in the shade Disco, and just kind of line that over the top. Next, I'm going to be using the Pop That Glitz palette from Cara Duo. I'm going to be taking this pink glitter right here and just popping it in the inner corner of my eyes, just to make it a little bit sparkly and pretty, because we all like that. I'm going to pack it in, blend it out with the white on the side, make sure it looks all nice and pretty, and then I will be adding liner and lashes. So for today, I'll be using the Sex Kitten one by Tarte Cosmetics, and for my lashes, I will actually be using a brand that I got from the dollar store. I don't remember what the name is. I want to say it's Ioni lashes. Those lashes are actually quite amazing, and maybe I will do a tutorial or something like that on those. But I'm gonna go ahead and add the final lashes, and here's the final look. I hope you guys like it. Thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you guys in a future video.